Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a GE universal remote like the one you see right here that is not powering on the TV. I'll be going over how to fix it easily in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into the video, okay? So then once again, how to fix it easily, a very easy tutorial for how to fix it, super easy, if your GE universal remote is not powering on the TV. Now this does not apply to you if you never paired it to begin with. So if it was never working with the TV to begin with, these won't help you because you probably just need to set it up once again properly, okay? But if your remote worked previously and it doesn't work now, or it works for other things other than powering on the TV, then this is the video for you. Maybe it does, volume and channel, but not powering on the TV. This is the video for you. Number one is to point it directly at the TV. I know it sounds silly, but so many people might point it at their cable box or their sound bar. Literally, go directly at the TV, stand as close as you can, and just press the power button, okay? Point it directly at the TV. That's number one. Also, as an added bonus, I didn't write this down, but make sure you have good batteries. You need to make sure your batteries are good enough for it to actually work. Very simple. Put fresh batteries in there, point it directly at the TV, and try and power it on. That's number one. Number two, okay, try it with your regular remote. You want to make sure that it's not the TV itself. If your regular remote won't power on the TV and your universal remote by GE won't power on the TV, then it's probably a problem with the TV, not the remote, obviously. So, so try it with your regular remote and see if that works. If your regular remote works and not this one, then it's a problem with the remote or the connection between the two devices, the TV and this universal remote by GE, okay? Once again, number three, moving forward, I said once again as if I was going to repeat something, but I'm not. Number three, moving forward, make sure that we're going to try that one again. Number three, make sure that the TV device on the device selector buttons up here is actually selected. Maybe you were just changing channels or just turning on your sound bar. So you had your auxiliary pressed, you turned on your sound bar, and then you're pointing it at your TV and it's not working, okay? You need to make sure that your TV device is selected. So go to the TV button, press the TV button, okay? When you press it, make sure that light lights up over there, and then press the power button, and that should hopefully turn on the TV. So make sure your TV is selected by using the TV device button over there. As long as that's the one you have the TV paired up with. If you paired up your TV with your cable, then you need to select the cable. So whatever button your TV is paired with, select that button and then press power. Moving on to number four, try a different code for your TV brand. Sometimes the codes will work with most features, but not all features. So sometimes your code that you've chosen might work with the volume, the channel, blah, 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 but not the power, right? But if your remote was able to power on the TV yesterday and not today, then this is not the problem. It's like if you just paired it up and it seemed like it worked, but the channel works, the volume works, maybe the guide works, the info works, but the power doesn't work, try a different code. Sometimes it's just the code. Maybe you get 99% of the functionality of the connection between the remote and the TV, but not that last one button, which is the power button. Try it out. It's usually not the power button that doesn't work when some features work and other ones don't, but you never know, right? There's lots of potential. Okay, last but not least is number five. The fifth solution is to factory reset the remote. To factory reset the remote is like 3 simple steps. I did a whole separate video on it. It's super easy, super quick to do. So factory reset it and then set it up again. Pair it up again, either with the same code that you used previously or a different code. Try it out, okay? Give that a try because sometimes you just need to reset it and try again. And that is essentially it. If your GE universal remote is not powering on the TV, that's how to fix it easily with 5 very simplistic steps. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.